Benefits of avocado pepa for our health. As my dear YouTube friends are in this opportunity, we will talk about the incredible benefits of the avocado or avocado pepa. Avocado is a tasty and very nutritious fruit that is beneficial for health. As it happens with so many fruits, the habitual thing is to eat the pulp, or the fleshy part of the avocado, and to discard its seed. However, this seed contains a series of properties that go from helping the natural regeneration of the skin, to contributing to the loss of weight. It is interesting to know what are the main benefits of the avocado seed, but also to recognize a series of myths that have been created around this food. Its most outstanding properties are: 1. It could favor the rejuvenation of the skin. Consuming avocado seed, for example in oil, could help improve the skin's natural rejuvenation process. According to Cristina Eguren, dermatologist at Infanta Leonor Hospital in Madrid and member of the Spanish Association of Dermatology and Venereology, there is a study conducted in 1991 in which it was found that rats fed avocado oil increased collagen production, which translates into a prevention of cell aging. In addition, it also protects against agents that promote cellular aging. Miriam Belmar, Endocrine Hospital Nisa Pardo de Aravaca, in Madrid, says that contains in its composition antioxidants that could neutralize free radicals produced daily in the cellular metabolism and that contribute to the aging of the whole organism. However, the expert admits that reliable and quality medical studies are still lacking in order to be able to firmly affirm these virtues. 2. Prevents cardiovascular diseases. In addition to being rich in amino acids, the avocado seed also contains essential fatty acids that provide benefits at the cardiovascular level. The peculiarity of these acids is that the body cannot synthesize them naturally, so you need to incorporate them through food. Belmar explains that these fats decrease the levels of bad LDL cholesterol, which favors the fluidity of the passage of blood through the arteries and veins and prevents the formation of thrombi. In addition, adds the expert, also contribute to increase levels of good HDL cholesterol. They help eliminate bad cholesterol particles and have cardioprotective properties. 3. Help fight acne. It is important to emphasize that the avocado seed does not have specific properties to eliminate pimples and acne, but, as Eguren explains, when it is grated and turned into powder, it has astringent properties, that is, it can dry the grains. Although, it clarifies, this is a property of almost any powder, not of the avocado seed in particular. In addition, it also contains vitamin B6 and antioxidants, components that improve acne conditions. However, the specialist states that it can be said that the habitual consumption of the avocado seed and the fruit itself, in a varied and balanced diet, it favors a good state of the skin, but not that it is a direct remedy against acne. 4. Help to lose weight. Losing weight is something very different from burning fat. This property is given by a set of characteristics. Avocado seeds reduce the absorption of glucose and help to maintain stable blood glucose levels. Avoiding secretion of insulin spikes and fierce attacks of hunger, this, added to its satiating and regulating effect of intestinal transit, could help maintain weight or facilitate its loss in weight loss diets. Therefore, Belmar states that cannot be considered fat burning, because they do not have the necessary properties to stimulate the enzymes responsible for the digestion and elimination of fats from the body. 5. Promotes the elimination of dandruff. One must take into account an essential factor when talking about the anti-dandruff effect of the avocado seed. Belmar explains that dandruff is scaling of the scalp, which can be more or less fatty. Attending this, the specialist states that there are 2 types of dandruff: fat dandruff, which usually occurs due to seborrhea, and dry dandruff. In cases of dry dandruff, the expert assures that an avocado seed mask can drag the flaked particles. However, in oily hair, it should not be used, as it is a very greasy fruit and may even worsen this situation. 6. Can help improve asthma. Avocado seeds are rich in vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin C and E, as well as having anti-inflammatory and immune-enhancing properties. Because of this, Belmar says that they can help in the treatment of asthma, but in no case are they a natural remedy or a substitute for the usual medication indicated in these cases. 7. Serves to exfoliate the skin. The key to an exfoliation is the mechanical action itself and that the product contains solid particles. In this way, explains Eguren, you can exfoliate the skin with everything that has solid particles. That is, small granites, as long as the product does not irritate the skin. Therefore, the importance lies in the mechanical action of exfoliating the skin with avocado seed powder. 8. Fight the cataracts. Avocado seed can also help decrease cataracts. For this it is enough to apply on eyes 2 or 3 drops of a pulp of a tender fruit, in the mornings and at night. The juice should be fresh and germ-free. 9. Bright hair. From the avocado seed a natural oil is extracted that has a similarity with the olive oil. This oil is used for cosmetic purposes and one of its greatest benefits is to provide an incredible shine to the hair, in addition to preventing it from dandruff. 10. Treat the thyroid. According to the research of European doctors, the avocado seed has nutrients and essential properties that help to control thyroid problems. 11. Strengthens the immune system. Thanks to its great anti-inflammatory properties, the avocado seed is also an ally of the immune system. Well, it helps keep it strong to fight the infections and respiratory problems. 12. Prevents premature aging. Avocado seeds are high in antioxidants that help prevent premature aging. In addition to this, they also contribute to the production of collagen in the skin, preventing the early appearance of wrinkles and making it look soft. How to take advantage of avocado seeds. Taking into account all the benefits of avocado seeds, we hope that the next time you consume this fruit, do not throw it away. To take advantage of their benefits you can prepare them in tea. Include in salads, add to the shakes, consume alone, among others. For this, it is recommended to wash well, dry, grate, roast and eat. Avocado seed tea recipe. Ingredients. Seed, bone, of avocado, a unit. Water, 1 liter. Preparation method. Clean the seed. Boil in water for 10 minutes and remove from heat. Tape. Let cool. Drink 1 cup in the morning, fasting, and another half cup before bedtime. Perform the treatment for 1 week. If the health problem returns, repeat the procedure. Well, my dear YouTube friends, I hope this information will help you to improve our health. If you like, do not stop giving it to me and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and as always I will ask for your support so that you can share all my videos with your friends and family. Do not forget to thank God for every little thing that He gives them each day, for the breath of each morning, for having a roof to sleep on, food on our table, a family with whom to share our best and worst moments. Health and work and in 1,000 things that we just let go day by day, without realizing how much God loves us and how much He gives us each day. I leave you a big hug and a million blessings.